How to cancel an order on Aliexpress. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can cancel your order on Aliexpress. Well, if your order has not been shipped, cancelling an order through Aliexpress is quite simple. Simply open up your application or log into your account on the web. Head into your accounts option where you'll be able to see my orders. There you'll find to pay, to ship, shipped, and to review. You can tap on view all, and there you can click on your particular order and then click on cancel order if it has not been verified and the order has not been shipped. However, if your payment has already been verified or the order has shipped, you will need to contact the seller in order to cancel your order to receive a refund. So this is the way that you can cancel an order on AliExpress. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues regarding this particular issue.